Hi, hello. Let's continue our lesson on looping. Now I will show you how to use while instead of for. Let me share the screen now, and then don't forget to open your Google Colab to start our lesson, to continue our lesson, okay? We have learned about, okay, I'm going to review it quickly. We have learned about sequence, we have learned about conditional, and then we have done looping with for, and then we have combined all of them, the sequence, the conditional, and then the looping. So no, we are going to use different way to loop. The difference between for and while is in for, we already know how many times you want to repeat the code. But when you don't know how many times you will repeat any code, any lines of code or anything, but you want it to be done repeatedly if needed, then use while. Let me show you how. Okay, let's make a code with while to make a simple game. The game is to guess a color, and it will keep asking you the correct color until you guess it right. Okay, so here we will define a secret color, which is, let's say it's yellow. And then we will add a loop here with while. In while, you have to define it as true. That means that the looping will goes on forever until we decide it's no longer true. So the assumption is true. So it will keep repeating. So the loop will keep on going like that. So we will ask, we are looking for an answer here. Input, yes, the color there. And then we will check if answer equals to yellow. And then we will print you guess it correctly. And then we just break the loop like before, like we learned on the previous lesson. When we no longer want the continue. So when we no longer want the loop to be repeated, we just put break to stop the code from looping. Okay, let's do it. Break, but else, if the answer is not correct, then print, try again. Then it will ask you again until you guess it correctly. Okay, shall we try this? Yeah, let's try. Guess the color, red, try again. Guess the color, blue, try again. Purple probably? No. Pink? No. Okay. Typo. Yellow. Yeah, you guessed it correctly. See? Now you can see the difference, right? When we don't know how many times we have to do the looping, use while. And when you know exactly how many times you want to repeat a certain part of code, use for. Okay, let's say I'm going to add something interesting in here. How about we add some count? So at the end of the game, every time we try, we will add the count so we will know how many times we have tried. So we can print here. You guess it correctly after count times. So let's say, guess the color, blue, guess the color, pink, guess the color was, yeah, guess the color red, guess the color green, and then try again, guess the color yellow. The code will tell you how many times you've tried until you guess it correctly. Okay, I'm happy now. You have learned 3 most important principles in coding. No matter what programming language you're using, the principle is the same. It is about sequence, conditional, and looping. So with this, you can make any programs, any coding you want. But I still have one more important thing to be added as a basic principles of coding, which is function. We will learn about it in the next lesson. But I hope you're having fun with this simple explanation and simple examples. Next, I probably will make several videos about simple applications or simple codes that you can create your own uh, based on your ideas, or probably it can help you with your daily activities. I just want you to guys to know that it is not hard to start code. Everybody can code. You can use a lot of framework or application to make it happen. So keep learning with me. I will see you on the next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Until the next video, okay? Bye.